Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie empanadas. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 2 and 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Cut in 1 cup of cold, unsalted butter until crumbly. Gradually add 1/2 cup of ice water, mixing until a dough forms. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling it out to about 1/8 inch thick. Next, let's create our delicious apple filling. Peel, core, and dice 2 medium apples like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp into small, uniform pieces. In a saucepan, combine the diced apples with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the apples are tender but still hold their shape, about 5 to 7 minutes. Let it cool completely. Now it's time to assemble our empanadas. Using a 4-inch round cutter, cut circles from your chilled dough. Place about 1 tablespoon of the cooled apple filling in the center of each dough circle. Moisten the edges of the dough with a little water, then fold 1/2 of the circle over the filling to create a half-moon shape. Press the edges firmly together, then use a fork to crimp and seal them securely. Finally, let's bake these delicious treats. Arrange your assembled empanadas on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. In a small bowl, whisk 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water to create an egg wash. Brush the tops of each empanada with this wash for a beautiful golden brown finish. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade apple pie empanadas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.